Welcome to Gulf Coast Bird Observatory. Today we're going to be talking about feathers. Birds are the only animals on Earth with feathers, and they use them in a variety of ways. Different feathers have different purposes, and several different kinds of feathers can be found on a single bird. Feathers allow birds to fly, stay warm, stay waterproof, blend in with their surroundings, and stand out to mates. They come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes depending on their function. Feathers are made of keratin, just like our hair and fingernails, making them durable and long-lasting, but also light and bendable. The feather base is called a quill or a calamus. This part of the feather is hard and hollow. Above the quill is the rachis, or central shaft. From here, small barbs grow out. You can think of each barb as a smaller feather with smaller barbs of its own branching out. These smaller barbs are called barbules. On one side of the barb shaft, the barbules are smooth. On the other side, the barbules have tiny hooks called barbicels. These hook onto the smooth barbules on the neighboring barb. When all of the barbicels are hooked, the feather is smooth, which makes it more aerodynamic, water repellent, and comfortable for the bird. When you see birds preening, they're dragging their feathers through their beak, zipping up the barbules so that the feathers lay flat. These feathers that hook together and lie flat are called pennaceous feathers. It is this type of feather that allows the bird to fly. Some feathers don't have barbicels and so can't be zipped up. These fluffier feathers are called down or plumaceous feathers, and they are used for warmth. The long barbules trap heat by the bird's warm body. Many birds have downy feathers underneath their pennaceous feathers. This allows them to fly and be waterproof while also staying warm. As you can see, the form of these feathers is very important to the bird's survival, but the color of the feathers can be important too. Dull colors and natural patterns give birds camouflage, letting them hide from predators or sneak up on prey. Brighter colors can be used to signal other birds and attract mates. The colors in the feathers of a bird are formed from either pigments or from light refraction. Pigments are colored substances inside the feather. Pigment colorization in birds comes from 3 different groups. Carotenoids make feathers yellow, orange, and red. Melanins form shades of blacks, grays, and browns. And porphyrins cause shades of pinks, browns, reds, and greens. Colors caused by light refraction are more complex. These are formed through the actual structure of the feather. For iridescent feathers, microscopic structures in the feather barbules refract the light like a prism, splitting the light into different colors. This is why you see different colors depending on what angle you are to the iridescent feather. Another color formed by structure is the blue of a blue jay's feathers. Tiny pockets of air in the barbs scatter incoming light, refracting only the blue hues. Blue colors in feathers are almost always produced in this way. We hope you've learned a lot about feathers, their structure, and how they help birds survive. They're one of the things that make birds so special.